Welcome back, continuing the news. At the intersection of tradition and technology, a young businessman is carving out a niche for himself. It's the story of Madifai. Here's Deidre Thomas.
Some may see simply just a dead log, but Keenan Clark, CEO of Madifai, Jamaica, envisions the possibility of carving new life.
With the creativity skills that I have, I wanted to be my own boss. When I was working for somebody else, it was always about doing what he wanted, doing the designs that pleased him, which was limiting myself. So I wanted to create my own unique items, branch out and do my own stuff.
Having launched the business in 2022, the young entrepreneur has been building his dream piece by piece, and it all happened after seizing an overseas opportunity.
So with the funds that are saved up, bought the machines and equipment.
With this new specialized equipment costing over $3,000, he started to create intricate designs and unique creations.
We offer laser engraving service. We offer printing, sublimation, branding. We engrave on glass. You can get glass cups, water bottles, engraved water bottles, wallets, key rings, maps.
However, there were times he found himself adrift without a plank to stand on.
Where I'm located, since I work from home, and the distance where I'm from my customers, one issue that they have is paying the delivery fee. Find a pretty decent one right now, but before it was very difficult because they were Kingston based. So it was difficult finding a Spanish Town-based courier service that could give me a fair rate. The other challenge would be definitely being a one-man army. So running the social media, doing the accounts, following up with customers, just doing everything by yourself.
Now, just a few years into operation, the Edna Manley graduate is making a profit, as in his high season, he sees an uptick in demand, selling upwards of 600 items.
Sometimes it's really other business that bring in the bulk. So one company might be having an event and they need something for the employees, so they would order in bulk.
So, what's next on the agenda for Madifai?
Have Madifai established into a manufacturing company. I also want to branch off, create a luxury line for the wooden bags and other products. Jamaican made, handmade products incorporating the Jamaican proverbs.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.